Hi guys, Jennifer Ferguson here for Instant Weather Ontario. And we have another weekend and another system moving through Ontario. I told you about that last week. It seems like every weekend we're getting another messy system to deal with. This one is not going to be so bad. We are going to see a lot of rain for some areas, and some areas will pick up quite a bit of snow, but they are specific areas. So I'll let you know about that in the video today. And we'll start with the extreme southwest as always. So you're going to see that rain continuing through the night tonight on Friday and through the day on Saturday. A possibility that you'll see that switching over to some wet snow or some wet flurries, and a chance that you might even see some times where there's nothing falling at all. So less of an impact for you in the extreme southwest. Now there is a chance of some heavy rain around Lake Erie, around through the GTA, Niagara, Hamilton. You're looking at getting about 15 to 25 millimeters of rain. That's through the night Friday tonight and also through the day on Saturday. Later in the day on Saturday, that's going to switch over for you into some wet flurries or some wet snow. You'll get just a tiny bit of accumulation. There is a chance through the night tonight in southwestern Ontario that we could see some freezing rain, and that's mostly in the higher terrain areas around Guelph, around St. Jacobs, in the Dundalk Highlands. Those areas could get some freezing rain through the night tonight and overnight. But the greater chance of that freezing rain comes through central and eastern Ontario through the overnight. So starting after midnight or later in the evening, and then through the overnight. So if you're traveling really late or really early in the morning tomorrow, then that would be a concern for you. But most of us are not going to be affected by that freezing rain at all. But that switches over on Saturday morning pretty quickly to some wet snow. And you're going to see that heavy at times through central and eastern Ontario for the most part, looking at picking up about 3 to 7 centimeters of snow, except for a couple of specific areas, specifically around Peterborough, the Peterborough area, and then up into Madoc as well. You're looking at closer to 10 to 20 centimeters of snow, so a lot more snow for you in those areas than in the rest of central and eastern Ontario, and that's going to continue through the day on Saturday. You're going to see that changing over to some light snow on Sunday, but still seeing snow falling on Sunday, and you might pick up another trace bit of accumulation as well. Now there's only one other area that I want to talk about, and that's the far eastern Ontario around Ottawa. You're going to see this starting later for you, so later in the day on Saturday. So afternoon, looking at maybe some freezing rain starting it all off, and then you're going to switch over to some heavy snow through the evening and into Sunday morning. You're looking at picking up about 10 centimeters of snow. So stay up to date by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll have updates for you as they become available. And you can also sign up for our instant text message alerts. You can do that by visiting our website, and you'll get all the information that you need right to your phone. And I hope that you have a great weekend. Again, for Instant Weather Ontario, I'm Jennifer Ferguson.